from the Mall of Asia Arena as we bring you Game 2 live on ESPN 5. And if this is any indication, yung game susubukan nila si Ross on the drive. And game
San Miguel, kundi si Chris Ross.
doubling off Ross the team. Parang gusto nila kasi.
Here's Chris Ross. We were talking about the consistency ng backcourt ng San Miguel.
Makala, probing, drops the three.
Oh boy! All of a sudden, the defense that Rainer Shine, the vaulted defense.
Single deficit.
Rainer Shine really must be good. He's another three-pointer. Back-to-back three-pointers. 1-1.
Ross na naman.
We were talking about the consistency from the backcourt at San Miguel. Chris Ross, 0 in the first period. Right now he's got 11 points. And the lead is down to just 2 points.
All new on the click differential motorcycle on the PBA. And look at Chris Ross gliding and like a motorcycle for that. Ross libre. Pasok yan.
Chris Ross is in the zone right now. And Ross looking over to the Rainer Shine bench saying, I'm taking over. He's got 13 points in the game. So make that 16 points with that last 3 points.
And then the pace. Ang hirap din kasi pag ganito yung mga binobomba ng San Miguel sa kanila. As Ross left wide open once again. When will they learn their lesson? If you're looking at 3-pointer in this ball game.
That lead is already down. Here's Chris.
3-point shot. Number infinity from Chris Ross. Brought to you by Tres Slide imported brandy from Puntador.
6 3-point connections now for Chris Ross. And he has scored his last 3 baskets all from 3-point. Already with 92 points. And then Chris Ross. He's not done. That's really double team by Rainer Shine. Ball is moving. Here's Chris Ross. What's more?
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me.
28 points by Chris Ross.
You've got to be kidding me. And now Chris Ross is just staring at the Rainer Shine bench.
Execution at Rainer Shine. Chris Ross. He's still hitting 3-pointers. He's got 31 points. Kung ano man
We talked about it. Could this be it?
Ito na yun. Ito na. That's the new career high. 34 points for Chris Ross. That's 10 3-pointers scored in this game.
That's incredible.
Yeah, that's
In dominant fashion, led by a career performance from Chris Ross. 117 to 105 the lead. One of the best scoring performances we've